Hello guys, today we learn full outer join in SQL. Full outer join returns all the records when there is match in either left table, that is customer, and or right table to other table records. Here we see syntax. Select column name which you want to show, and from customers table LIC full outer join table orders on C dot customer ID equal to for dot customer ID. Here we give here we get the result from the SQL full outer join. Let us understand. First, select from two SQL query from customers and from orders. There is three records and there is three customers details here. And from orders, there is two orders from two customers which are in customer tables. If we made a syntax C full outer joins from between the joins customers and orders, run all the SQL statement here. See here, it gives the results from the full outer join from table 1 and from table 2 and combine all. See here, customer ID, three records of customers. Their one customer ID is 123 and their name, address, and there is one is missing because there is null value because no orders of customer 3. Thank you guys. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.